Good evening, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader, 8:25 p.m. on May 4th, 2021, eve of Cinco de Mayo. So let's go straight to it. Intraday updates at twitter.com, Wall Street Trot 12. Look at the description below the video to get that link so that you can get intraday updates. This isn't financial advice. Follow your own. Educational purposes only. This is all this is. I am not Mademoiselle with a crystal ball. Please understand that this is only to outline my personal opinions and predictions. This is far from fact. That being said, let's go straight to it. NuCypher US dollar 46.61. NuCypher Bitcoin, we're at 866. Not bad, not bad. I mean, we're between 850 and 900, which was the moat. A NuCypher US dollar, we are between, well, we're at 46.61. We did drop down to 46. I did hit my entry point. So everyone should understand that my current NuCypher allocation is 80% now. It wasn't 70% this morning, but I said to everyone this morning that if I had an entry point of 46 cents, I would nab it for 10% of my allocation. Sure enough, I did. So 70 became 80 over here, and I now entered into a new entry point. 20% is still sitting in cash, waiting. We're waiting. Current status is hold. Hold, why? Because I already just nabbed it for 46 cents. But this is me. Everyone's different. Anyway, let's go to the charts. NuCypher US dollar is really 46.60. Not too bad. This thing's kind of like a little bit sketchy right now, but we're going to see how things play out. NuCypher Bitcoin, also in that downward pelican-y looking yellow / downward wedge looking thing. Honestly, 850 to 900 seems to be the range. So this seems to be kind of like right for this thing in terms of a kind of like a grounded area. And then if you look over at the Bitcoin chart, Bitcoin really crapping out today. Down, all the way down. Bounced back up, came back down to 52.90, 53,000. Bouncing back up. Look, I think that this thing will eventually level here and then start drifting. As I said this morning, I was worried about this area here. This was the area I was worried about. And after the video, we went, boom. And that's exactly what I said we would do. We did do that. And now, where are we? We're over here. So let's just see how this plays out. We're around 54,000. It's hard to say exactly where we'll be. But nonetheless, let's just go quickly to how I came up with the 46-cent price for NuCypher. Look, I took a worst case scenario between Bitcoin and then the NuCypher Bitcoin charts. So as I mentioned this morning, I said 54,000 was where I think we're going to plop down to. And we did plop down to 54,000 earlier today around 1 o'clock. We also plopped down to an 850-ish range at the same time. So these were both what I consider max pain areas, such that I said to myself when I was thinking about this yesterday, and I've talked about the 46-cent price last night as well as this morning about my limit entry. I think this is how it kind of like this is what my inputs were to determine that NuCypher price. So I came up with 54,000 yesterday. I came up with 850 yesterday. I multiplied these two numbers together, and this B3 times D3, B3 being here, D3 being there, that's what NuCypher should be. So I saw a 45.90, and I said, make it 46. I'll pay a slight premium to it. At the end of the day, if this goes 10 bagger, what's the difference, honestly? So anyway, so that's what happened. So I got it. So my limit order did execute at 46, and that's where we're at right now. Right now, it looks like we're around 46.68 over here on NuCypher US dollar. We're going to take another look at this thing tomorrow. But keep your eyes on this. I don't think there's nothing here that should confuse anybody other than the fact that we need to keep our eye on this. This needs to stay in the range, and honestly, we need to pop out of it as quickly as possible. I want to get back to 900 on the NuCypher Bitcoin chart. I also want to get back into this range, but we ain't going to get back up there until we get up there from this chart. So this chart needs to get to 900. Once that happens, naturally, this will come up as well. Anyway, all have a good night. Thank you very much. Talk to you soon.